Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make gaufre. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, caster sugar, cooking salt, melted spread, and vanilla essence. Pour whole milk little by little. Baking powder and stir. I'm gonna pour through the strainer . Add beaten egg yolks, beaten egg whites, and mix very gently. Grease the waffle maker with a bit of oil . Heat . Pour the waffle mixture . And cook until golden. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!